Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yan, i-showcase ko lang sa inyo ang ating available units, V7 Pacific Car Trading. So, ayan, meron tayong Toyota GLI 1995 model, manual transmission, super fresh inside and out, all original, complete legal papers, ready to transfer anytime. And we have Mirage 2017 GLX automatic transmission, super fresh inside and out. So we also have 2018 Ertiga GL automatic transmission, super fresh inside and out. This is 100,000 all-in down payment. So this is my personal car, not for hire. And we also have this Navi, Honda City VX Navi automatic transmission, all-in down payment 100,000 pesos. So we also have this L300 Deluxe, pero inaano pa namin to, pinapolish namin, tinatanggal namin lahat ng scratches and i-detail namin sa loob. So this one is 120,000 all-in down payment. Yan. Dual aircon po ito. Maganda po ito. Lata-lata po siya. Pero tinatanggal lang po natin ang kanyang mga gasgas at i-detail natin siya. And we also have another Accent 2017 model automatic transmission. GL po siya. Super fresh inside and out. All-in down payment 100,000 pesos. And ito yung bagong kuha natin, Mitsubishi L300 van 2017 dual aircon Exceed edition, super fresh inside and out, all-in down payment 130,000. And we have another van L300 1997 model, super fresh inside and out. So those are our available units, V7 Pacific Car Trading. So I also have another videos there, pero we are still buying pa po tayo. Kung meron po tayong mga units dyan, please chat me or text me and kunin natin basta magkasundo tayo sa presyo. Goodbye.